Where are you going?
Outside, we're playing in the snow.
You look very warm and bundled up.
Yes.
I'm very warm and bundled up too.
You guys aren't excited, are you?
I'm fat.
It's only 7:40.
Not you, or you.
You guys are ready.
I can't get this on. Where are my boots?
Today is February 13th, 2021, and we woke up to this, which was a nice, not really surprise. We knew there was a storm, but when they say there's a storm, like it says on our phone, it's been snowing the last like 2 days, and it hasn't been. So it finally happened. It was just waiting. The chickens in the coop are they're very concerned. There's one chicken out, and oh, there's a bird. There's a bird, Jeremy, flying outside trying to like get into the coop. A regular bird. There's one chicken in the run. The other ones are inside, and the boys are out there sledding. Jeremy is going to make what?
Don't get too close. I haven't put on my makeup yet.
Oh, sorry.
Just some hot cocoa, vanilla, and hot water to make a cocoa syrup so we can hot chocolate.
And what else are you going to make us today?
Nothing. That's it.
I thought you said cinnamon rolls.
I'm gonna make cinnamon rolls.
Okay. And he's also going to work on flooring.
Whoop, whoop.
Because, well, I don't know that we ever said on here.
I don't think there's ever been a song
But
about it.
we had water damage in here, and we had to tear out all of our floor. And we have this much left to do in the laundry room, which I'm not going to show you too much in there. There's our fly larva.
Things everybody
but
has in their laundry.
the water line to the fridge leaked, and it ruined all this flooring in here, which was new when we moved in, or like we replaced it when we moved in, less than 2 years ago. So we had to, well, obviously insurance, tore it all out, and we've slowly been putting it back in. We had to wait for the cabinets to be remade, like the base of the cabinets. And now our countertops are going to be remade again and installed on the 23rd. And then we finally get to do backsplash, and then hopefully we will have like a kitchen, like a finished kitchen, right?
Yeah, eventually.
So it's been exciting. It's been a good time.
Push, Cooper, push.
What you guys doing?
Going for a ride?
Oh my goodness, Jeremy, look at that.
Oh.
No, Sage.
No, gotta go, bye.
Jeremy, help.
I got the camera.
Okay.
Okay.
She wants to come out with you guys so bad. No, she'll disappear and freeze.
Back to Tacoma Humane Society, bye! Somewhere out there's an enormous flock of geese. They're getting closer.
Yeah, you're a crazy person.
That's true, it's cold.
And I'm feeling the black snowman.
What, Colty?
It doesn't direct me to make a snowman.
Oh, does it not stick together?
No. See? It's falling apart.
Not very wet. Hopefully that means you guys will stay dry.
I need you to wipe off my face.
By the time you get up here, it's gonna be melted.
Sort of good. Not
Did your
good.
vehicle survive?
Yes, it survived. Not surviving.
You guys having fun?
And if I just set it in the dirt, it sinks in.
Yes.
We're gonna be out here all day.
You guys staying dry?
Well, I forgot to put on a hat before I came out.
Oh dear.
So I accidentally shoveled snow into. So.
There you are.
Are you making a ramp?
Yeah.
Do you think it's gonna work?
Yeah. It's gonna take a long time.
Is it? What are you guys doing out there? Huh?
What are you doing, Carter?
Making a wall
Oh, wow.
and a ramp, of course. Oh, she doesn't even care.
I know. Sage!
I don't know that this is going to be a good idea.
She's literally.
Do it, Cooper!
But it's scary.
Come on!
She's telling you to try. Can I let her go to them?
Look at her. She likes it.
All right, I'm venturing outside for a minute. I don't know if you can see my breath, but it is so cold out here. I came out to see what the boys were doing. I'm gonna sweep the porch because it's like super snowy. And it is really snowing right now. It's coming down. What are you guys doing?
We're making a sledding place.
Is it working?
I think it will. We sledded
Wow.
in the tracks that the truck driver guy left, and it worked really well.
Did it?
It was packed so much.
Cool. Good job. Oh man. It's really... I haven't walked in snow in a long time. So pretty. I'm sure this isn't how people, places that really get snow, take care of their snow, sweeping it off their porch, but this stuff is so powdery that it sweeps right off. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, the day is coming to an end, and I think we've probably gotten close to 7.5 inches, but it's so pretty. We're supposed to get more tonight and tomorrow. So the chickens are gonna get a little bit of extra goodies tonight. Flip-flop buried in snow. They have some arugula, some fly larvae, dried fly larvae. What else did I put in there? Some bread, some cracked corn, some oats, and some pumpkin seeds. So they will have that before they go to bed. Give them a little bit of extra protein and carbs and such to get them through this cold time.